Hello everybody, Martin Moncayo here, the e-commerce underdog, and today I'm going to teach you how you can compress videos so that you can upload them faster to YouTube or to any social media, okay? So first, you want to go to the Google Chrome and type HandBrake. This is the tool that we're going to use in order to do this, okay? So it's handbrake.fr. Okay, this is the platform that you want to download. Since I already downloaded this app, I will just open it in my computer. Okay, I have it here and I will show you how it works. So first, you want to go to open source and select the video that you want to compress. Okay, so in here I will go to my videos and I'm looking for a video that I want to compress that is very new. It's this one, butterfly marketing. Okay, so I will compress and you will see the difference in sizes of these two videos. So this is the video that I want to compress. Then in order to compress, you have to do a couple things. First, you have to go here in presets, general, and then click very fast. Okay, you want the fastest possible. Then you want it to be web optimized, so you have to check here and you see change it to modified, and now that's it. That's all you need to do, those quick changes. And now if you want to change the dimensions, but the dimensions are okay, filters, video, in here you can play around with the quality, but I like to leave it there in 24. Then in encoder preset, I like it to be very fast. You can put it super fast or ultra fast, but I like in very fast. And then simply what you will need to do, if you have subtitles, audios, since my video doesn't have all that, and normally when you are starting out your video will be just you talking, you will just go here in the browse and save it. Okay, you will save it if you have a folder for that, and I will make with the same name but with compressed. Then just to finish this process, you will have to click here to start encode, and then it will take some time to compress. Normally it will tell you how much time it will take for this app to compress the video. Depending on how long is the video, it will take more or less time, but in here you can see around 30 minutes is the time that is going to take HandBrake to compress my video. But after it's compressed, you will see the difference between the two videos, and at the moment of uploading to YouTube, to Facebook, you will see the difference because it's way faster. Normally a video like this one that is compressing, that is taking 30 minutes to upload to YouTube, it will be around 1 hour and a half, 2 hours. When it's compressed, it will take 15 minutes. So it is a time saver. I will come back once the video is compressed to show you the difference between the original video and the compressed one, and also how faster it is to upload it to YouTube. So I'll see you there. Okay, so now that the video is compressed, I'm going to show you the difference between the one that is not compressed and the one that is compressed. That's why I created this folder. And in here, as you can see, is the butterfly marketing MP4. This is the original video. Okay, and as you can see, it has 1.05 gigabytes, whereas the compressed version that is here has 174 megabytes, so it is way less. Okay, and now we are going to test and see the quality. So you will see that the quality of the video remains the same. It's the same in both videos. This is the original one. Okay, and now I will put the compressed one to check the difference. Okay, as you can see, the quality is the same. It looks great. If you don't lose quality, the video is compressed, and now you can upload to YouTube, to Facebook. Okay, now I'm going to upload this video to YouTube. Normally the video, the original one, will take between 1 hour and a half and 2 hours to upload to YouTube, which is a very long time. But now, since the video is compressed, it will take less than 20 minutes, I would imagine. So It is a great tool to have to compress your videos, upload them faster. It will save you a lot of time. You will not lose the quality, so this is a tool that I highly recommend you to check out. I will leave the link of HandBrake down below for you to download. It's completely free. That was it for the tutorial that I have for you guys today. If you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe. I'm making videos every single day. Also, I just finished set up a 4-day training with my mentor Sebastian Gomez that covers how to start online, learn about email marketing, affiliate marketing, funnels. There is a lot of value there, completely free. I will leave the link in the description, and with nothing more to say, remember, keep moving, keep grinding, keep making this happen, and I'll see you in the next one.